this miniature fairy table I made last week. And now I'm going to make miniature chairs. I'm using a wire to make the base structure. I want chairs also to have floral shape, like table, so that it looks like a family.
Wow!
This clay dries up very fast, so it's very important to keep the speed of the process also fast after mixing the clay. Otherwise, you will end up wasting a lot of clay. Using wireframe makes it easy to shape the clay. And here comes the final part, coloring.